wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Kelvina Putri Mulyadi. I'm student from Office Administration Diplomatic Department 2017 at State University of Jakarta. Today, I would like to present about my internship program report in Financial Director Division at PT Catur Mitra Technology. Indonesia proved that the level of economic development, especially in Jakarta, is growing rapidly, which makes the city has a strong competitiveness in the world of growth. The main human research of a company is a secretary. Technological improvement in this current era support the work of secretary, much be faster and easier. Therefore, a secretary should have expertise in information technology. So, only people selected will be recruited by the company. When we see the condition, we need to prepare ourselves before we looking for work. One of the important things we need to prepare is education. State University of Jakarta have internship program, so that we as a student can apply what we learn from university to the office. And this internship program can give us experience and preparation about work. I did an internship program in Financial Director Division at PT Catur Mitra Technology. PT Catur Mitra Technology engaged in construction that specifically manage and lead the thermal and oil pressurization project in Indonesia and abroad. I did an internship program for 40 working days from 20 July until 29 September 2019, from Monday to Friday at 9 a.m. until 5 p.m. The history of PT Catur Mitra Technology. Since 1993, CTS Offshore and Marine Group committed to the marine sector and diversification, which was very successful to the offshore sector. PT Catur Mitra Technology is part of CTS Offshore and Marine Group, headquartered in London, United Kingdom. The presence of PT Catur Mitra Technology in August 2016 in Jakarta provided the best service and quality for HVAC one-stop system related to HVAC system in offshore, marine, manufacturing, industrial, and commercial buildings. Aside from being contracting company, PT Catur Mitra Technology is also a company that has specialist management consultant and innovation consultancy, with the excellence of business, operation, and work activities carried in accordance with business management system that have been certified with various standards. PT Catur Mitra Technology has a vision to become a leading, unique, and indispensable in situ repair and maintenance service provider for the marine and offshore industry globally, especially in the Asian Center. The mission are: first, provide quality service in line with our accreditation; second, ensure regulatory compliance; and third, maintain zero accidents performance. Organizational structure of Financial Director Division at PT Catur Mitra Technology are subsection of account, and two, subsection of investor relation, and the last but not least, subsection of company secretary. General activities of the company are: first, recapitulate supplier quotation; second, make an invoice letter; third, make a customer transmittal letter; fourth, completing bank voucher or cards disbursement; fifth, handling incoming invoice; and the last, also other text from the leader of PT Catur Mitra Technology. The work what I do in Financial Division at PT Catur Mitra Technology are: first, making a quotation letter. What is a quotation letter? Quotation letter is a letter that contains product details and price offered by the company, and is made after the client confirms that he wants to submit an order. For my quotation letter, I will record the date and address where the customer has explained the repair of the problematic unit. I also process the product specification data that the customer want and the price offered by the company. Don't forget, I give the number on the quotation letter and printing the document to be signed by the President Director of PT Catur Mitra Technology. After quotation letter has signed, I also scan quotation letter and then send it by email with a little notice about the content and the date list. After that, the quotation letter is put in a folder and will be archived in the file cabinet. Second, completing bank voucher or cash disbursement. Bank voucher or cash disbursement are record carried out by me what needs are needed by the office using petty cash. I will collect some proof of payment or receipt and paste it into one sheet of HPS paper. After attaching it to the HPS sheet, I will fill out the bank voucher or cash disbursement. In filling out the bank voucher and cash disbursement, I only record the voucher number, date of voucher number, and name of the recipient of the disbursement of funds infused using petty cash. I also have to record what needs are in accordance with the proof of payment or receipt that has been given along with the total amount issued. Third, operate office machine. One of the office machines that are often used by secretary is the telephone. There are several steps that I did in handling the telephone. First, the maximum limit of the phone ringing is 3 times. Then, I must have to pick up the phone on the second ring. First of all, I will say greeting and introduce about myself. Then, I will record the caller's need, so that the message addressed by the caller is conveyed properly. After the message is finished, I will repeat the message again to make sure there are no messages that are approved. When finished, I will give a closing greetings and wait until the call is hung up by the caller. The obstacles when I work is difficult to communicating. On the first day on the internship program, I still feel ashamed and awkward with the working atmosphere in the Financial Director Division of PT Catur Mitra Technology. The result is I'm not doing too much communication if not invited to talk with other employees. This makes the atmosphere created is still not conducive for me. The communication is only necessary. Even though on the first day, I need a lot of communication in order to get job done well. How to overcome the obstacles? According to John B. Watson, all behavior, including response countermeasures to a stimulus, has to do with behavioral response in humans. If a person gets a stimulus or in the form of communication, then it can be predict the form of communication, response, or reply from that person. In order to create a conducive and comfortable work atmosphere, the way to overcome the awkwardness in communication is through new adaptation. I should motivate myself to feel able to work in the Financial Director Division without feeling awkward and embarrassed, and began to open the topic of conversation that began with an introduction with other colleagues, so I can get to know and can work well together. The conclusion are, I did an internship program in Financial Director Division at PT Catur Mitra Technology, and I did work making quotation letter, completing bank voucher or cash disbursement, and the last but not the least, operate office machine. And I have one obstacle, is difficult to communicating. The solution is I should motivate myself to feel able to work in the Financial Director Division without feeling awkward and embarrassed, and begin to open the topic of conversation that began with an introduction with other colleagues. The suggestion for a company is I hope that company can do briefings every morning to notify about work that must be done without having to wait for work hours. Okay, that's all about my presentation. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.